Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you are right now. It's good to be here. Feels good to be here. Feels so good to be here. Actually, feels good to be here. Um, about 20 of us already on the call. Um, so let's see. Where are you joining from? Put your location real quick in the chat box. You know how we do it every single Monday. Drop your location in the chat box. I'm right now in Lagos, Nigeria. Drop your location in chat box. I'm right now in Lagos, Nigeria. Where are you at? Where are you at? Where are you at? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Responses. Where are you at right now? Where are you at? Where are you at? Where are you at? Where are you at? Okay, I see the comments. Say happy new month to you. Greetings from Uyo, Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. Nice. Uyo, Akwa Ibom. That's Emmanuel Akibong. Or Akibong. I think the N is on silent, so it's Akibog. Abi? I don't know. I may be wrong, but yeah, it says greetings from you. Awesome, 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 awesome. Good morning, fabulous venture. How do you pay attention to news while trading? Yes, I do. I checked the news this morning and there's no news, so I also pay attention to the news while trading. Edo praise worry. Much love from Dubai. Love your strategy, bro. You're the only person I see on YouTube that stick to one strategy. Please explain the strategy in a simple way, boss. Alright, awesome. I've been using the same strategy since 2022. I've not had a reason to change my strategy because it works. So why am I changing my strategy? So Ezekiel from Dubai, good to have you on the call. Good to have you here. Good to have you here. Adam Bless, greetings from Lagos. Good. So for Ezekiel, I'm going to explain the strategy today. I'm going to teach it. May not be as in depth as I would have loved to, because I will teach the inner circle. I'm going to teach it today. At least that one you can be sure of. I'm going to teach the strategy today. Okay? Adewumi Adesola says Lagos. Says good morning, doctor. Doctor of Forex, Abi. Good morning. Good morning. You're saying a good morning, doctor. Good morning, bro. It's good to be here, actually. I tell you the truth. It's good to be here. Consistency is the name of the game. Whether you feel like it or you don't feel like it, show up. Just show up. hmm That's the name of the game. Consistency. Hope you're listening to me. Consistency. You can't compare someone that shows up once every 2 months, someone that shows up every single Monday. The results are going to be different, obviously. Our results are going to be different. Our results are going to be different. So you obviously cannot compare. Our results are going to be different. Our results are going to be different. Our results are going to be different. Okay? At least that one, you need to let that one sink in your head so that you know that our results are going to be different. Alright? Um, no workout today. After the class, I'll go. I'm very tired, but I'll go. I'll go after the class. Um, Uyelade Rachel, good morning from Jos. Awesome. I'm a good trader. Do you have any advice for someone like us? Advice? Actually, no, I don't have advice for you. Just trade. Focus. Cut out the noise. Don't listen to any distraction. Focus. The problem is you guys are doing too many things. I see you guys, And when I say you guys, I'm not saying good traders, so traders generally doing a billion things. Before you see me do anything, I've made sure I've gotten firm in one. I've made sure I've gotten firm in one. Focus. 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 Put your head in the game. Put your head in the game. Focus. Morning boss from Lagos. Awesome, awesome. Chimere from Nigeria. He's explaining strategy on both buy and sell. I mean, the strategy is the same now. You see on the Telegram group there. If you're not on the Telegram, the link will be displayed on the screen. It's being displayed already. You understand? So strategy is the same. On the Telegram, you see the instruction to follow the strategy. You see everything. You see everything you need to see on the Telegram. Do you understand? You see everything you need to see on the Telegram. Strategy is the same for both buyers and sellers. All right. So I'm going to explain the strategy all over again today. So you have to pay attention because it's only when you pay attention that you'll be able to pay when you get to the supermarket. Yeah, pun intended. Don't worry. See everything you need to see on the Telegram. Strategy is the same. All right. Um, you see your recommended time for trading London session and New York session. So for New York session, come to the market by 1 p.m. and start scouting. 12:30 safe, you can come and start scouting so that you can have a lot of trades or you can have at least one trade before 1:30. Because most times there's news at 1:30. So come early. Okay? Come early. Then for London session, personally, I come to the market for London session at 7. So market this morning. I got to the market by like this morning by like 7 something. I'm on a trade right now actually. I don't trade on Mondays, but I just saw a trade and I took it on light risk. You understand? I only have 5 lots on that trade. It's light risk. It's 20 something pips loss, stop loss. So I come to the market in the morning, 7 a.m. on other days. On Monday I stay away. Except I feel like today I feel like. And I trade. I just trade. I just scout. Look for trading opportunities. I just scout. Look for trade ideas, trade opportunities, possibilities to enter the market. And I do. All right. So I'm going to tell you this. You probably have already heard it before. Do you know, right? Do you know actually that um, London session originally starts 7 and not 8? They tell you 8, but you know originally it starts 7. Check the market well. Every single time, market started by 7. Major movements to come early. It's like a first come, first serve kind of thing. You understand? It's like a first come, first serve kind of thing. If you come to the market early, you see trades. If you don't come early, you're not gonna see trades. It's like a first come, first serve. Okay. So, in answering your question, my recommended trading time, I just told you, for London session, get to the market by 7 a.m. For New York session, get to the market by 12:31, but preferably 12:30, so that at least you can have a trade before um major news, because most times there's news by 1:30 and the likes. How would that make sense, you guys? So let's go back to the comments and let's read all the comments before we go into the teaching of today. Mhm. All right. It says a message you meant on IG, but I don't respond. I'm so sorry. I'm not really that texting guy, but I promise to respond today. This one I'm promising you. Message me today. Both message requests and if I've accepted a request already, every message between 8 a.m. today and 12 p.m. today on my Instagram, I'm going to respond. Okay. Also, my Instagram was actually they were trying to hack it last week. All right, so I got a notification on my email, a new signing. I had to change my password, change many things. Yeah, so they were trying to hack it last week. So that can also be the reason I didn't see. For some days, I think almost 3 days or 2 days, I was not on Instagram. They were trying to hack it, but thank God for my beautiful team and thank God for His mercies. My team, my tech team, they went on it and God granted us mercy. Good morning, sir. You have not replied to me on energy since last week Monday. Okay, please message me again. Coach, what about scalping? Well, scalping can come anytime, but it's also better to come when there's momentum. Momentum, if you stay between 8 and 9:30, 10. Let's say 8, between 7 and 9, right? Or let's say between 7 and 10. Hmm? 3 hours, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. The market, then 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Then the market, 6 hours a day. There's no way you will not see trade. I promise you. There's no way you will not see trade. I'm giving you 3 hours in the morning, 3 hours at night, consistently. In your day one, if you know your strategy well, in your day one, you should be able to see a trade. I'm serious. In your day one, you should be able to see trades. Oh, guys, it's so bad. You know, without my glasses, I'm struggling to see. Everywhere is blurry. Let me try and read the next comment without glasses. Good morning, Chief. Much love from Cameroon. Okay, I read it. Okay, good. I was able to read it at least. At least I was able to read it. So the next one says, so I noticed that most traders avoid Monday trading. What is the reason? Honestly, I would just speak for myself. I don't know why they avoid it, but the reason I avoid Monday trading is market is not yet settled well. Still trying to boot and other things. Do you understand? That's just the only reason I avoid Monday trading. Market is still trying to boot. It does not really settle in. That's for me the reason. All right. But if I observe that the market is kind of settled, then why am I not in the market? Okay. If I observe that the market is settled, I should be in the market. All right. I should be in the market. I should be in the market if I observe that the market is ready for me. Does that make sense now? If the market is ready for me, then I should be in the market. Um, so let's get another response we jump into the before we jump into the analysis for today. Let's get another response before we jump into the analysis for today. So I see a lot of comments. Let's see if we can pick anyone again. Okay, this guy Akolade Latif, he says, good morning, boss. Ola from Lagos. Sounds like Ola of Lagos. But I know you're not Ola of Lagos. Don't worry, I know. But yeah, good morning. So for those of you that are here, if you stay today, and I'm going to teach you my strategy, the one that I teach my paid members, I'll teach it to you for free today. I'm not going in depth. Yes, I won't go in depth. Okay, I only teach it on a very surface level. Okay, so if you want to get in depth, sign up for the mentorship. But I won't go in depth. I'll just teach it on the surface level, like I said. Let's start the Telegram group. So everybody go to the Telegram group, and you see that I pasted last week Monday. I pasted the strategy on the Telegram group. If you can see that already, just respond. Just respond. If you can see that already, just respond. Go to the Telegram group. You see last week Monday. Last week Monday, I pasted the analysis and strategy, but let me paste it all over again for those of you that can't find it. So I pasted it all over again. Then on the WhatsApp, for those of you that probably don't know where you, for those of you that don't know where to, okay. On the WhatsApp community, I've sent it. I've sent it to the group. Bethel, good morning. Augustine Obi says, good morning, sir. I used to be profitable when I started newly without much information. But after blowing my first account, I lost confidence. And since then, I've not been profitable again, even with much. All right, so I understand you very well. And I'll be careful to respond because this is a very important situation. Okay? This is a very important conversation. Now, let me tell you what you may need to know first, then second, what you may need to do. Okay? First, what you may need to know, second, what you may need to do. First thing is, as a newbie, hmm, you don't have so much information. So you're only copying and pasting what you learn or what other people are giving you. I mean, signals, anything. You're just copying and pasting, right? So, so I'll not tell you. If you look at it from the point of the person giving you the signal, because you don't know a lot and you're just taking their signals, it means you are copying or duplicating their results without adding your own. Have you observed that when you're not the one driving, you can easily tell the person, slow your speed, drive fast. Didn't you see this car? Didn't you see that car? But when you are the one on the steering, as you're trying to focus on what's ahead of you, you're forgetting to look at the side mirror to see who is behind you. You're forgetting to look at the other side to see if there's someone trying to cross. So you will now know that, when you are the pilot, the workload is more than when you're a passenger observing the pilot. That's why I don't shout at people that are driving. Because we also, I know that driving is more work than we think. Okay? Your legs, you have to move your legs, you have to move your hand. I know some of you have been driving for years, so it doesn't look like work. If you are driving in Lagos, it is work. I drive in Lagos, okay? And I live at the Keja area. So it's not island that's easy. Yeah, there are a lot of weary all around the road. So we have to manage their psychology. You have to manage their psychology. All right. So now, when you are a newbie, or when you were a newbie, you're taking signals from your boss. So you were not adding your own. Your confidence, your knowledge base, whatever. It had nothing to do with your results because you were only taking signals from somebody and duplicating. And let me tell you the flip side. At the point where you begin to learn forex, let's say you now blow your first account. Let's say you forgot to put your proper lot size, and he gave you signal and two signals or three signals in a row hit a sell, and you blew your account. Do you know at that point, one of two things happen? It's either you are forced to go and learn forex properly, or it breaks you. Do you understand? It's either you are forced to go and learn forex properly, or it breaks you. And when I say breaks you, what am I talking about? It is going to lead you to a place where you're trying to learn forex, but if you don't have the right information, you will lose your confidence because you will learn the rubbish that you know, you will implement the rubbish that you learned, and you will see zero results. And then boom, your confidence has dropped. You begin to question, is forex really for me? Am I supposed to be doing this thing? Am I not supposed to be learning how to play game? Am I not supposed, you start questioning everything you're doing in this environment. You start questioning everything simply because of one error, which you shouldn't have questioned yourself, but it's just because of be exposed to an information that was not so, what's the word, so premium for you or useful to you. So the solution, I've told you what it is that happened to you, Augustine. So the solution, right, is what, ask yourself, what don't I know about Forex? Write everything you don't know down. Where can I get access to this information? It might be from Coach David, it might be from Coach Freeman, it might be from Coach Jeffrey, it might be from Abby, it might be from Dax, it might be from Obinwa, it might be from J Profit, it might be from Doing Wilson, it might be coming from any get this information from. Number two, what do I need to pay for me? Because no information is free. Oh. Do you understand? Now I'll tell you the truth. I'm for any Russia like myself that gives out this major free. I do it because for me, it's not selling and buying courses that is feeding me. I'm being fed by God and my forex. Okay, I trade. I'm a trader. I withdraw. That's how I eat. It's not from mentorship packages. No, it's not from sign up fees. It's not from brokers affiliates. It's not from what do they call this now? Referral. Bring one, bring two. Mm-mm. It's not from that. Okay, so me, I know how I make my own money. You understand? So I focus on what is giving me the money, which is forex gone gone. And you should do this. What don't you know? What do you need to pay to set? Then make the payment, give the time. It might be money, it might be your time, it might be both. Then let's go on your noise might be your family, your cousins, your well wishers, your boyfriend. I even need to break up. I'm not asking you to go. You need to break up. Focus on something. Let's say it's not distraction from the significant other. And then you focus on the essence or the essence of that so that you can have focus, which you understand. So you can have maximum focus, which leads to maximum progress. I think that's what I can say to you. Being profitable is easy. What is working? Reduce your strategy. Don't learn too much strategy. Learn one, then reduce it to simple 5 or 4 steps. My strategy is a 4 step strategy. Just reduce it to 4 steps, right? And then implement. Implement till you gain mastery. Don't expect to gain mastery in one day. No, brother, it doesn't work that way. Okay? Don't expect to gain mastery in 1 month. It may happen, but it doesn't work that way. And even if it happens, guess what? It's not sustainable, it's not duplicatable, it's not scalable. Okay? So give it the time, focus on strategy, and then you will attain profitability over again. Okay? And then sometimes there's no problem with strategy. It's just, network is bad. Just that not all strategy works 100% of the time. For example, my strategy, there was a period where I was losing back to back. I had like almost 7 losses in a row. I'm like, come on, I'm not doing this. And I took a pause. And then I came back after like 3 days or 4 days. I didn't go and learn any new thing. I didn't even go and analyze anything new thing. I only went to the same GBP USD and I started from monthly time frame. I started analyzing and I saw that I've been trying to buy the market was selling because I was hoping the market would turn. And then I kept on losing, looking for buy zones. And then I changed. I started looking for sell zones and boom, I started making profit again. So your strategy is not wrong. You're just the one not implementing properly. I hope that makes sense to you. Okay? So let's go to the next. It says Amuzi Udochukwu. Say good morning, sir. Apart from GBP USD, what other currency pairs does this strategy works very well with high win rate probability? You have heard you if you joined last week, you would have heard other people giving testimony that they used the strategy on NAS 100 and they made profits. This ones I used on crypto, I made profit. So the strategy works for anything. Crypto, Forex, it works. I tell you the truth, the strategy works. So you can implement it on anything. You can implement on anything, it works for anything. Okay? Better Kenny I is if person miss this class, it's like who miss Sunday school. Yeah, so it's like who miss the school, that sing, I will missing. Chime, says sir, your mic is not good. Guys, please, my mic okay? Is my mic okay? Is my mic okay? Please let me know. Fabulous says sir, please. There is a lot of Fibonacci tool on TradingView, but I don't know the right one to pick. Oh, is this Fibonacci retracement? Okay, and it's not indicator. No, sir. It is a tool, and I'll show you where you can find the Fibonacci tool. Once you get into the chart, I'll show you. Okay. Abby Omega, good morning. Greeting from Spain. Good to have you here, all the way from Spain. I was telling them that in 2022, I was planning a trip to Spain. I got my visa. My visa came after my flight. My flight was scheduled for February, I think February 6 or 7 on my flight, but the visa came in like 3 days after, and so I couldn't go anymore. And since then, I've not planned another trip to Spain. They only refunded 60% of my ticket fee, but I didn't really feel it because that time I had a lot of money. Now I'll fight you. You give me my 100% back. You give me my 100% fast, fast. Anyways, Kenneth says thank you for what you do. Oh, you're welcome. So let's get into the chat. Let's get into the chat. So the first thing I'll show you is where to find Fibonacci. Second thing I'll show you is strategy. I hope that sounds like something you're excited about. Look at my entry. Many of you have seen it. This is where I entered the trade from. And where am I riding the sell to? Riding sell here. If you're wondering, don't enter yet. I'm telling you. No, the reason I'm saying don't enter yet is there's no 1 hour confirmation. There's 30 minutes confirmation. There is 15 minutes confirmation. But there is no 1 hour confirmation. There's no 4 hour confirmation. So wait. That's why I didn't paste the signal on the groups. Wait till you see a confirmation on 1 hour or 4 hours before you enter. Don't enter yet. Me, I risk what I'm willing to lose. So if anything happens, I'm willing to lose that. I don't want you to make that mistake. So just wait. Don't try to don't try to jump in because you see that I'm already in. Yes, I'm in. If you're doubting, let me show you. See blue, I'm in. Okay, so don't think I'm lying to you. I'm too big to lie to you. I'm too big to lie to you. Okay, I'm in. I'm in the trade, but don't enter yet. Wait. Okay, that's just what I want to tell you. Don't enter yet. Wait. It says, "Sir, thank you for being generous with us. Your help do I need?" Yeah, you're welcome. I don't really understand that, but I know that you're trying to say something good. Okay, so guys, I want you to please, everybody on this call, give this video a thumbs up, please. Please do it now. Don't do it later. Do it now. Give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other people. I'm trying to increase our number of live streamers every Monday because we have been doing this now for going to 3 years. I don't want us to keep revolving around. The highest we've had is 200 people, and that day it was a special live stream where I was doing giveaway. And I don't want that. I don't want people to come when I'm doing giveaway and when I'm not doing giveaway. Like every other day, like today now, we have only 30 something. Usually we have 40 something, 30 something, 50 something, 60 something, just around that. And it's not a good number. Okay. So I'm trying to increase the number of live streamers. Just give this video a thumbs up if you're getting value. And once you've done that, write down. Once you've given it a thumbs up, just write done in the comment section. Just write done, done, done. Just write done in the comment section once you've given the video a thumbs up. It's going to be a day of value today, a whole value moment. I tell you, today is nothing short of value. Today is nothing short of value. So I see all the done in the comments. Done, 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 done. Amazing, amazing. If your heart leads you, you can also share it on your WhatsApp status or anything else. Okay? If your heart is leading you to, I'm not going to beg you or force you. I'll be happy if you do it. Okay? So you can just share it with your WhatsApp so that other people will know. Just write free, just write learn Forex for free. Join now. And then they'll join. Okay? Because I'm teaching you Forex for free. That's if your heart leads you. If not, no problem. You can just remain on the call. All right. Thank you very much to those that have given the video a thumbs up. And let's go back into the strategy. So I'll pick a new chart and I'll analyze it. Let's do GBP JPY. Let's see GBP JPY. GBP JPY. So the strategy starts from 4 hours. You see on the 4 hour time frame, draw structural zones, highs and lows on the 4 hour time frame. So let's go to 4 hour time frame. Let's draw structure, highs and lows. All right, as much as we can see. Okay, so I can see this high, low, high, low, this high, this low, then this high, then this low. This low is broken below this low, right? So we have this high. We cannot say this high yet because price may do like this, come back up here, and then drop. It may happen. So let's draw the structure we need. What's the structure we need on 4 hours? Is high, low, high, break below, right? So we're trying to look at the depth of the retracement because now we have changed trend to a down trend. So we're going to trend down for a period, for a short period actually, but we're still going to trend down irrespective. Okay, I don't like JPY pairs because of their stop losses are usually very wide, but I'll just analyze this one because I already started it. Now, second instruction on the 4 hours says what? Identify confluence areas, preferably change to line charts to reduce the noise from the candles. All right, this is switch to a line chart. But I'm seeing a comment here. It says I always like the video before watching. So done with my small account, help me to grow it with beautiful signals. Uh, thank you. Dada Ezekiel done, done. Nice. Well done, guys. Well done, guys. Well done. So let's go back to the chart. It says switch to a line chart. So where is line charts? I've told you this is candle, this is line. Before we go there, I promise to show somebody where Fibonacci is. So see Fibonacci here on the toolbar to your left. Fibonacci is here. So we're picking Fibonacci retracement, not Fib extension, not Fib channel, not Fib time zone, not Fib circle, not Fib spiral, not Fib speed, Fib retracement. We're picking what? Fib retracement. That's what we're picking. Fib retracement. Okay. And I already have it saved here. Like as you can see. As you can see, it's saved here already. Fib retracement. Okay. So yeah, so the first instruction, we have done that. Second instruction says switch to a line chart and identify confluence areas. So we're on a line chart now. We're trying to identify confluence areas. We're on a line chart now and we're trying to identify confluence areas. And confluence areas are areas where price touched it minimum of three times. So we see this one. This is first touch, second touch, third touch. I like this place as one confluence area. Let's pick another one. Let's pick another one where there are three touches. This is good. First touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. This is good. Okay. Um, let's see if you can see another one. This is good. There's a first touch here. There's a second touch here. There's a third touch here. This is good also. Okay. Let's see if you can see one more at least. One more. One more at least. Well, we can say this is good because there's a first touch here, there's a second touch here, there's a third touch here. So we have 4 lines, 4 confluence areas. If you're still following, put if you are following and you understand what I've explained, put 777 in the chat box very quickly. If you're following me and you understand what I just explained, put 777 in the chat box very quickly. Put 777 in the chat box very quickly. Put it in the chat box 777. If you're following and you understand what I just explained now, put 777 in the chat box. Okay? I want to see those sevens to show that you are following me. Okay. Now I see everywhere 777. We are about 40 something on the call. Let's see. Hey, Uzoma is on the live stream. How are you, Uzoma? We are 46 to be precise on the live call. So I want us to hit a record that we didn't have giveaway yet. We were able to have about 200 people on the call. So the only time we've had crowd, sometimes 500, 700 people on the call, are days where I'm doing giveaway. Like the other day I did $2,000 giveaway. That was last year or early this year, if I'm not mistaken. That day the live stream was filled up. Oh, over 500 people ready to take my money. And today I'm not doing giveaway. See, only 46 people. Bro, I thank God for the 46. Talia Samuel says good, better, best. Wahala. So let's go back to the chat. Next instruction. You can go back to the line chat now. Next instruction says on a 1 hour time frame, check to know if there's any clear and significant zone you missed. There's no zone we missed. Then it says draw Fibonacci from swing low to swing high for a buy and swing high to swing low for a sell. We're trying to sell because price just broke below a level. So we're going to 1 hour time frame right now. And then we're drawing the Fibonacci. We're drawing the Fibonacci. from the high, this is the high, to the low, this is the low. You're drawing Fibonacci from the high to the low. From the high to the low, from the high to the low, from the high to the low. And many of you know me already. My preferred zone is usually 61.8, and price has tapped 61.8 and it's dropping. This would have been my best bet for entry. 61.8. So if I had seen this trade earlier, right, I put my SL at above this level here, above this high here, above it, then I'm dragging my TP all the way down to -77. Over this is about 395 pips. But price has done already over 100 pips, which is fair. Price has already done over 100 pips, which is fair. But let's see where to join these guys from. Okay. The next instruction says on the 15 minutes time frame, spot an ideal entry point. So go to 15 minutes. Since price has moved, where can we join price from? And that should be. So you can pull out Fibonacci from here in the zone, and then you can look for entry anywhere in this box. But I'll look at something. You can delete this dude now. As giving us a bearish engulfing confirmation. See, bullish indecision, major bearish. So you can even sell right now. I'm not even lying to you. Like I'm being honest with you. You can actually sell right now. You understand? You can sell from here, and SL will just be above this zone here, which is about 35 pips. Right. But the only reason I will not enter the trade is because I'm already in another trade. But it is a good trade because all the take profits are showing on the screen. There's TP1 here, TP2 here, TP3 here. Right. That's about 200 and something pips. And all the TPs are showing. So you can choose one of two ways to enter this trade right now. Hold on, let me explain to you. There are two ways to enter this trade. Right. Either you wait for 30 minutes candle to close and you enter upon the 30 minutes candle closure, or on the 15 minutes, you wait for price to push up a little bit and you enter. As for those of you that don't want to enter right now, and I don't even advise, so you can enter right now actually, and nothing will do you, like nothing will do you. But me, because price is already dropping massively, I would prefer to wait for price to pull up a little bit, just a little bit, and then I'll enter. Because 30 minutes candle has not closed yet. When 30 minutes candle closes, if it closes heavy bearish, then I can enter and put my SL above the start of that 30 minutes candle that closed. Do you understand what I explained? So you can put your SL above the start of the 30 minutes candle that closed. So that 30 minutes candle that closed, put your SL just above it, and then you will be good to go. So GPGPY sales, I will not call the signal out the groups, but you guys can see it. I only send you the screenshots of this chart, but I will not type out the entry points and all the other sweet stuff. I won't. I'll let you figure it out by yourself. Excuse me. I'll let you figure it out. I'll let you guys come and finish this. So it is 336 pips overall take profits. It's gonna last you for a period. And you know the way GPGPY moves. Once it starts selling, it's gonna sell like crazy. You know that already. See, once it starts selling, you start seeing massive dumps. You see this whole move now happened in 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. And that was on Thursday afternoon. How many pips? 300 pips. Imagine in 2 hours, 300 pips. That's how GPGPY moves. So if you can take advantage of this particular trade, then you can grow your accounts massively. That one I'm sure of. You can grow your account significantly, like significant growth on your account. For me, I'll prefer go to 30 minutes, 15 minutes rather, and I'll wait. So is it that 30 minutes candle closes before I enter? 15 minutes, price pulls up a little bit, then I enter. But to enter right here, right now, nope, I'm not. If that price pulls up, like I said, a little bit, then I can enter. Or I wait for 30 minutes candle to close. But those of you that already feel like you can enter the market right now, I'm not going to stop you. You can actually enter the market right now, but I will not join you to enter. Neither will I be a part of that rush move. Okay, you know the way I trade. I'm a very careful trader. I don't jump in and out of trades. I'd rather wait for my perfect setup that I'm sure of profits. Okay. So I'm sending this signal right now to the group. But don't expect me to type out entry points. I'm not GBP, JPY, bias. I'm not about entry points. Don't ask me to because I won't. GBP, JPY, sell bias. All right, so I've sent screenshots to the groups now. Then now the game is a game of waiting. Is that I wait for price to pull up or whatever, like I just said. But I'm not entering here. Yes, it's giving us profit already, but I'm not. I'm not entering. Let's look at GBP USD. I'm not analyzing that because obviously time is going. But see massive profits actually. Like actually look at it. Let me see my trade. Look at my trade. Just look at my trade. $925 profits. Look at. Just look at my trade. Like actually, just look at my trade. Profits. I was expecting price to either drop from there or push up small to drop. And price did not push up, it just dropped. Thank God I had entered the trade already. Thank God I had entered the trade already. So there's TP1 lying down here. I can remove this thing. So I will only take profit when price gets to TP2. I won't take profit now. Price must clear this imbalance. So price will drop down to TP2. TP2 is 1.29124. 29124. 29124. 1.29124. I will not close my trade until price gets there. At least that one you can be sure. You can be so sure that I'm not going to rush in and out. 124. In fact, I'll even set and forget. Forget that I set it. Yeah. So I just set my TP right now. And then let's see what can happen today. Let's see what can happen today. Chimerese Mount near Bertrand say being genuine as you are, bro. Will we be there always? Okay, being genuine as you are, bro. We will be there always to receive your impartation. Which impartation, I beg? Crypto process done. Motivational mind. Tilly says market price. Bertrand, thank you, sir, for sharing with us. Sergio BJPY, he has given you TP and SL. Man, I didn't give you, but he gave you. You can take it if you want. Crypto guy say you mean recent touches. I don't understand that particular one, but yeah, so I'm done. GU sell, GG sell, and then let's see what we can do. Let's see how much profit we can make. Next week, Monday, we're having a very powerful guest. Someone dear to me. The one that has results, you know. Um, yeah. So I'm done. You can ask your questions. It says allow us to ask questions in the comment when you're done. So I'm done. You can ask your questions, please. You can ask your questions. I'm done. I'm done. You can ask your questions. So I have only 4 minutes on this call. But it's only 9 a.m. I have to go out, sorry. Because there's another itinerary for 9 a.m. There's another itinerary for 9 a.m. I have 3 minutes more on the call. I have 3 minutes more on the call. What can you say about the trader psychology? You people are always talking psychology. Just learn your fundamentals well. I'm sorry, your technical well. Learn your technical. That's it. I'm telling you. So don't close your trade until price hit your SL, and don't close your trade until price hit your TP. Or if price did not hit, but it gives you a technical reason to close, then close. You people, I don't know. People are looking for psychological advice. There's no one I'll give you. I'm not giving you any advice. So if price is not there, then don't enter. If price get there, then wait for price to get there before you close. That's all. I don't have any psychological advice for anybody. Honestly, just look at your technical. If technical did not tell you to close, then don't close. Don't wait for someone to tell you in psychological. Read a book. Oga, focus on your technicals. My question is, when marking out those conference areas, is it a must that price should touch one of them before we enter the market? Hope you understand what I mean. Yes, I understand what you mean. And yes, it is a must that price should touch them before you enter. Fabulous venture. Is it advisable to set small stop loss or increase stop loss when trading gold? Well, I don't trade gold. Go ask Sametochi. I don't trade gold. Go ask Sametochi, he will tell you. I don't trade gold. So if I tell you small or big, I don't know. I don't trade gold. So there's nothing I can tell you about that. I don't trade gold. I've traded gold before, but that was a while ago. And that time, I had a big account, so I could manage my trade. But you guys, small accounts, you also trade gold. Pick something else. I don't know. Pick something else. I'm not discouraging you, but pick something else. Pick something less stressful. I hope you understand what I mean. So GU and profits, GG also, we are in profits. So let's enjoy both trades and see how much profit you can make on them. Let's enjoy both trades. Let's enjoy both trades. So GJ has closed 30 minutes bearish. So once price comes up here, you can enter. That's 197.478. I don't trade good, but let me 197.478. Let me see pending order. GPGPY. I'm only doing this because of you guys, because normally I don't trade it. But let me set pending order. Price has left us. What happened? Sell limit on for 197.475. Stop loss 7 3 5 7 4 5. Take profit should be 196 196.011. So I've set my pending order. I've set my pending order. My SL is 88. How many pips is this? 27 pips. 27 pips. TP is 146 pips. That's fair. So I'll send you screenshots of my chart so that you can enter, can set your own signal. So I've sent it to the WhatsApp. Let me send it to the Telegram. I've sent it to the Telegram also. Then everybody we can watch it and make money from it together. Okay. The question is, anytime price comes down before the previous low, means the market is going for a downtrend. I don't understand that. Any price was above the previous low, so it means the market is going for an uptrend in everything moment. I don't understand that question. 4 hour time frame, look at up, down, up, down. The way I broke it down to you. If price did not break a previous high, then it is not a new high. Simple. I don't understand the question that you asked. But I'm so sorry I have to run us right now. I've had a good one with you guys. Enjoyed it. If you have further questions, you can write them down next week Monday. I'll answer them again for free. And let's see what we can do. This week, sales on GJ, sales on GU. Just find positions to enter and let's keep riding the price down. Have a good day. Have a good one. See you at the top, not from the top. Because you know what they said, the bottom is way too crowded. Have a blessed day. Bye.